It's Bonnie. Happy stormy Friday night. Oh my goodness, the weather is terrible outside, but we're gonna have a little fun in here because I have a twofer video for you guys tonight. So first of all, Bath and Body Works is doing the buy two get two free candle sale. Talked about that a little bit yesterday, but I also wanted to talk more about fall candles. So I'm going to talk about my least favorite fall candles first, because a lot of people are asking which candles I don't like. I'm going to go through the whole list and share my least favorites. And then I'm going to share a whole bunch of fall candles that are missing from the fall lineup this year. So, you ready? I'm just going to get on the list, you guys. Okay, so least favorite list. Leaves. I know, I've been raving about the body care. Makes no sense. I don't like the Leaves candle, and I don't know why. It's so weird that I love the body care. I've been wearing it like crazy. But for some reason, the candle, I'm going to have to try the candle again. Maybe I switched over the year, and somehow I like Leaves. I don't even have a Leaves on hand. So I'm going to buy Leaves and see what I think. Honeycrisp apple. It is way too sweet for me. I've never been a fan of Honeycrisp apple in the candle. I don't know why. Let's see, I'm doing the least ones. Oh, there's another Leaves. There's two versions of Leaves, by the way. A sweater weather. I don't do sweater weather in the candle at all. Definitely on my least favorite list. Let's see here. Cool Mountain Rain. I just got that one. It's a definite no for me. Where the heck did I set that thing? Oh, here it is. It's back here, I think. I like this one, by the way. I like the Fall Forest. The Cool Mountain Rain, it's too cool, and it's too mountainy for me. Here, let me grab it. It's down here. I'm actually going to return this one. Oh, I can't even smell it. It's too outdoorsy. It's too pungent. A lot of people might like this one. That one is not for me. That's a definite no. Okay, least favorites. Fresh Fall Morning is a definite no for me. I don't like Fresh Fall Morning. That's another one that's just too fresh. Palo Santo. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of Palo Santo. That's one that I don't like. The Midnight Cocktails one, I have sitting in my bathroom. I haven't lit it up yet. The verdict's still out on that one. Harvest Pomegranate. I know that's probably a surprise to a lot of people. I don't like it. It's too pomegranate. I don't know. There's too much like odd fruit in there. I've never been a huge fan of Harvest Pomegranate. I don't know why. Whiskey Reserve. I smelled that in the store. Not a fan. Let's see here. Oh, flannel. Ugh, no, don't do flannel is a total no for me. I do not like flannel. You getting that like theme here? I don't like these like fresh like sweater candles. Mahogany apple is a definite no. I don't know why. It's too strong. A lot of people love it. It's just not my candle. I'm not a huge fan of mahogany apple. Another sweater weather. We got two versions of sweater weather and two versions of Leaves going on. Okay, what else is on my least favorite list for fall? Let's see. Endless Sea is a no. Frozen Lake. Now, first of all, I don't know why Bath and Body Works brings out Frozen Lake in August. And you know me, I'm like 3 seasons ahead all the time, but for some reason, Frozen Lake is one of those that needs to be a January candle. I don't know why they bring out Frozen Lake now. That's very strange. Cranberry Woods is kind of like Harvest Pomegranate. I don't know. I'm not a fan. Maybe like once or twice during like Thanksgiving, but those don't do anything for me. I don't know why. Let's see. Oh, Blue Lavender Breeze. I don't have it. I don't think I want it. I don't think I'm going to like that one at all. Blue Jasmine and Currant's new too. I don't know if I like that one. Bergamot Waters is a total no for me. Oh my gosh, I got to find my apple and charcoal though. That's a good one. Bergamot Waters is a no. Cactus Blossom is a no. I know a lot of people love Cactus Blossom. I don't like the jar this year. It's kind of like this ugly orange. Remember it had the succulents on it before? It was beautiful. Flannel. Another version of flannel. Mahogany Teakwood Intense. Why the heck do we need Mahogany Teakwood amped up? No, that's a no. Oh, we have a third version of flannel. We have the signature one. Not a fan of flannel. Let's see what else. Oh, we have some summer ones on here too. Not a fan of Warm Ocean Breeze or Ocean Driftwood. Those are a no. Bronze Sunset's a no. Palo Santo and Sage is a no. Bergamot and Birch, that's a no. I'm just going through these. These aren't really fall candles, but they're on the site right now. Like, no, 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 no. So yeah, oh, Lakeside Morning, no. Sun-Drenched Linen, no. So what have we learned? We have learned that I love the foodie candles. I also love like patchouli, incense, smoky, any of those type of candles. So there you have it. Those are my least favorite for fall so far. Not a huge amount on the list, but there's some. So now we're going to talk about what's missing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Cinnamon Irish Cream. This was one of the original Woodland Creature cinnamon Irish creams from a long time ago. I loved this version. I think they switched it up and it smells more like crayons these days. Cinnamon spice liqueur, Irish cream, and French vanilla. I think this formula has definitely gotten worse over the years. I only enjoyed it this year a lot. In past years, I really haven't. I mean, these past couple of years, I haven't liked it very much, but that was my year. Okay. Cider Lane. Where is Cider Lane? Oh my gosh, this is a wonderful caramel apple. It is warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar, and ground clover. This is what clover, clove. No clover in it. Oh, that smells so good. Cider Lane is amazing. Need to bring back Cider Lane. Cherry Mocha. I always pull this one out. Never came back. This was a one-off. It's sweet cherry, decadent chocolate, and whipped cream topping. Hello. I love this one. Why don't we bring back Cherry Mocha? Oh, Bath & Body Works. Caramel Apple. Caramel Apple is a little different than Cider Lane. It is Granny Smith apple slices, warm golden caramel, cinnamon vanilla cream. Oh my gosh. There's just a little bit more caramel in this one. And the apple is just a little bit more apple-y. This candle is probably one of my all-time favorite candles from Bath & Body Works. This was a good year with these labels. Oh my gosh. I burned this one sparingly. This is a really, really good one. Caramel Apple needs to come back. Sweet Cinnamon Plum. I wasn't a fan of this one. A lot of people liked it. This was too cinnamony and too plummy. Juicy Plum, Cinnamon Apples, and Ground Clover Buds. Not a fan. Not a fan of that one. Blueberry Maple Pancakes. It's coming back. I saw it on the list. It's sickeningly sweet, but you gotta love it. They usually do it in blue wax, which is kind of fun. That should be coming back, though. That's one on the list that should be coming back. Oh my gosh, Spiced Cranberry Toffee. This is not back. Not surprisingly, a few people like this one. I hated this one. Rich toffee, fresh cranberry, sprinkled, swirled with caramel. I don't know. Soda's nauseating to me. Caramel and cranberry. I don't know. I just did not like. That was one I didn't like at all. Let's see next. Next up, banana walnut muffin. This was so popular. Oh my gosh, we need a banana candle for fall. Seriously. I mean, it's like other companies are doing banana. Other companies, you know, Yankee has got that banana toffee, which is good. I don't know. This one, I don't know why they didn't bring it back. That was fabulous. The same with, oh, where'd it go? These are out of order. I'll get to it. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. I haven't seen this on the list. If you've seen this one on the list, let me know. Check it out. This is like a fun collector's item here with the label. I love this one. It's just pumpkin vanilla marshmallow. I haven't seen that one. I might have missed it. Bourbon maple. This is like one of my favorite fall candles of all time. Bourbon maple needs to come back. It is barrel-aged bourbon, sugared amber, and maple wood. It's like the perfect mix of like maple, bourbon, and wood. It's not too sweet. This one is fabulous. They need to bring back bourbon maple. Fall Festival. Remember Fall Festival? This one is the fresh pumpkin, spiced cinnamon, sweet maple almond butter. Another good maple candle. This one's sweeter. It's got like more of the maple butter note. Oh, that's so good. That is wonderful. Oh, Pumpkin Donut Shop. Why did we not get Pumpkin Donut Shop back? I honestly could smell this one all day cold. It's wonderful. I'm going to keep it on my desk. Glazed donuts, warm pumpkin spices, sprinkled with powdered sugar. Oh my gosh, this one is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And then we have sweet kettle corn didn't come back. I love this one. Oh my gosh, kettle corn. It is freshly popped kettle corn, creamy caramel sprinkled with sugar and salt. Who doesn't love kettle corn? Oh my gosh, I love this one. So I was actually really enjoying bringing these out because I feel like we are missing a lot of foodie candles. I don't know. Why can't we have caramel apple back? Oh my gosh, this one is just a perfect mix of apple and caramel. I'm really enjoying myself, by the way. This is so much fun. Oh, the cherry mocha, cider lane. Oh, these smell so good. Okay, I really had fun tonight. Oh my gosh, you guys. What do you wish would come back? What's your least favorite candle? I had a lot of fun tonight doing this. Leave a comment below. I got one more video for you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.